What if I told you a nuclear powered surveillance device placed by the CIA is still missing in the Indian Himalayas? In the 1960s, a plutonium powered device was placed on Nanda Devi, one of India's highest peaks, and was never recovered. A recent investigation has revived one of the Cold War's most secretive missions involving the US, India, and China. So, what really happened? Let's break it down. The year was 1964. China detonated its first atomic bomb. Both Washington and New Delhi were alarmed, but neither had reliable intelligence from inside China. So the CIA came up with a risky plan to place a listening device in Nanda Devi to intercept Chinese missile signals. The equipment needed uninterrupted power, and solar wouldn't work. So the CIA used a SNAP 19C generator, a radioisotope thermoelectric device. It generated electricity using heat from plutonium and was designed to run for years, unattended. It was not a bomb, it could not explode, but it carried plutonium, extremely toxic if released. Roughly a third of the plutonium was used in the Nagasaki bomb. This CIA mission was disguised as a scientific expedition involving American climbers and Indian intelligence-backed mountaineers. Captain M.S. Kohli led the Indian team, but he warned that the climb would be dangerously difficult. But those warnings were brushed aside, and by September 1965, the team was racing winter. In October, near the summit, everything collapsed. A brutal blizzard with zero visibility exhausted climbers. From base camp, Kohli made a life or death decision: retreat. The equipment, including the nuclear generator, was secured to an ice sledge, and the team came down. The next year, climbers returned to retrieve it, but the ledge was gone, likely swept away by an avalanche. Some believe heat from the plutonium melted the ice, pulling it deeper into the glacier. Others think it lies shattered under rock and snow. Well, no one knows the truth. Nanda Devi's glaciers feed rivers flowing into the Ganga, a lifeline for millions. Tests in the 1970s found no radioactive contamination, but plutonium is dangerous if inhaled or ingested. When the story resurfaced in 1978, it triggered outrage in India. Quiet diplomacy followed. The then US President Jimmy Carter and Indian Prime Minister Morarji Desai worked behind the scenes to contain the fallout. Publicly, both governments stayed silent. The CIA has never acknowledged the mission. After a deadly glacier collapsed near Nanda Devi in 2021, fears resurfaced. Was it climate change or something else? Scientists point firmly to global warming, but for nearby villagers, the missing device remains an unsettling thought. As glaciers melt, the past has a way of resurfacing. Now, somewhere beneath the ice of Nanda Devi lies a relic of Cold War paranoia, a hush-hush mission, a vanished nuclear device, and questions that were never fully answered. If you found this explainer insightful, don't forget to subscribe to Business Standard.